Hi everyone, this is a quick recap of what we did in class today. So if you look in your classwork tab, down at the bottom of cycle 13, you will see an assignment called Newsela Article and Response. And it will have a copy of an article that is made specifically for you. You can open that up. And you will see that this is an article from Newsela about the events that happened at the US Capitol on Wednesday. So what we did in class today is that I read this out loud and everyone else followed along. Obviously, for the purposes of making it up, you will need to read it on your own. But this is what you should be doing as you are reading. Up in the top it says, as you read, highlight in yellow any important information about the events that occurred at the US Capitol. So those are facts that help you understand what is going on. Highlight in blue anything that you find interesting or surprising. So that could be anything that maybe you didn't know before or that you were surprised to hear. If you have comments on the text, you can use the comment tool. So if you highlight whatever you want to comment on and then click the little add comment button, it will pop out a margin comment for you. So you need to read the article. I stopped at the end of each section before these little bolded subheadings and asked students to highlight something in each section that they thought was important and something they thought was interesting or surprising. There are 5 sections to the article, and when you get to the bottom, you will see that there are questions here in the boxes. I do not intend for you to answer all 9 on your own. Based on what we were able to get finished in class today, each class talked about maybe 3 questions. And they were different depending on the class because I allowed the class to tell me which questions they found the most interesting. So in order to do the makeup assignment, you can pick whichever 3 questions on here you find the most interesting and just type your answers into the box below those questions. So once you have read and highlighted and answered those 3 questions, you will submit this to me and then your makeup work is done for today.